Hello. Today, I would like to read to you this poem I found. It's quite interesting. It's called A Rose of Battle by William Butler Yeats. Rose of all roses, rose of all the world, the tall, thought-woven sails that flap unfurled above the tide of hours troubled the air, and the gods spell buoyed to be the water's care, while hushed from fear or loud with hope, a band with blown, sprayed, dabbled hair gather at hand. Turn if you may from battles never done, I call as they go by me, one by one. Danger no refuge holds, and war no peace, for him who hears love sing and never cease. Beside her clean-swept hearth, her quiet shade, but gather all whom no love hath made, a woven silence, or but came to cast a song into the air and singing past. To smile on the pale dawn, and gather you, who have sought more than is in rain or dew, or in the sun and moon, or on the earth, or sighs amid the wandering starry mirth, or comes in laughter from the sea's sad lips, and wage God's battles in the long grey ships, the sad, the lonely, the insatiable. To these old knights shall all her mystery tell. God's bell has claimed them by the little cry of their sad hearts that may not live nor die. Rose of all roses, rose of all the world, you, too, have come where the dim tides have hurled upon the wharves of sorrow, and heard ring the bell that calls us on, the sweet far thing, beauty grown sad with its eternity, made you of us and the dim grey sea, our longships loose thought-woven sails and wait, for God has bid them share an equal fate. And when at last, defeated in his wars, they have gone down under in the same white stars, we shall no longer hear the little cry of our sad hearts that may not live nor die.